Just let it set. And this is done until I drain it. And I'm going to let it all set for about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to come and drain it and add the salt, pepper, milk to the macaroni. And we'll be ready to eat. Boy, it makes a good meal. Sausage links and mac and cheese. What on earth could be better than that? Makes a good lunch.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti would be better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would. Meemaw's spaghetti is good spaghetti, and your mama's spaghetti, her baked spaghetti, is good, wonderful spaghetti.
And there's
the sausage links. Okay. Yeah, shut the door and it'll stay warm until we eat it. Okay. And those.
Until you
turn them over one more time.
Until you put the cheese in, keep them on the stove to have them warm until you put them in the noodles. Also, there is something to go with it that I want to show you. All you need is, if you wanted to make this specific kind, you could have this orange. Okay. It's orange, and it's really good. All you need is a cup of water or a bottle of water or whatever you want it to be with, and then just tear right here. And then just pour it in. Doesn't that smell good? And then just stir it up with a spoon or shake it up with a water bottle with the lid on. No. My fingers. They're orange. And as I said, all you need is a spoon, or if you have a water bottle, just shake it up with the lid on. Just stir it. And if you have a cup of water or this orange lemonade, you could add some ice cubes, which I'm gonna do. No, I should have took the spoon out. At least the spoon's not orange, but my fingers are. And there you go. You have a nice summer drink to go with macaroni on a hot summer day. I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna be right back. If there's a lot of water in it, you pour it out with a strainer or just in the cup itself. And I'll show you how we're gonna do it. We're gonna pour it out like
There isn't a whole lot.
like that. Or you could do it with a strainer if you have one. And either way, it'll be just fine.
Lynn, would you like to get out the milk?
Yes.
Turtle Racer?
Yeah. And I don't want my name
Okay.
to be on YouTube. I want it to be Turtle Racer.
Thank you, Turtle Racer, for getting the milk out for me. This will make it creamy, Turtle
Yes,
Racer.
it will. After you pour the milk in, you can add the cheese, or if you want, you can even add the salt and pepper. And then as you can see, whenever it came out of the box, it wouldn't go like this. It would just go like this. You put it on the stove, and with it being warm, it will be just fine. It will be easy to come out. Get the scissors. And that's the refrigerator.
And people have run off with my scissors.
Scissors.
Okay, good deal. That little people was Turtle Racer, and he's already cut them for me. Thank you, Turtle Racer. See how creamy it is? Because it was warm, it's easy to come out of the package because we warmed them up on top of the stove first. So they came out real easy and creamy.
And if all of it doesn't come out, you can lick it.
Mm-hmm. Made it real easy.
And if it's on a summer day, you might not want to leave the stove on for a while.
Well, it might make the macaroni too mushy. Okay. Yeah. Gotta get this cheese off before it gets hard.
And after that, you can just mix it up.
There we go. Thank you. It's kind of hard when it's this full without popping it out on the stove. So mix it more carefully.
Yeah. And we'll show you what the macaroni looks like after it's done.
Add a little milk.
And one day I might even have my own market, like the Colley's Market sign. If you're someone old, you might remember the Colley's Market because it burnt down a long time.
1975.
1975. That was a few years before my mama was born.
It was your great-grandpa and great-grandma.
Great-grandma and great-grandpa. And it burnt down a long time ago. And we also, in my family, we had a quality supermarket. Super.
And it belongs to him too.
Yes. We even have pictures of them. And we've had this for a while. It's a very, very antique phone.
It was your Uncle Richard got it.
Uncle Richard. And he owned that. He owned it. He had it. And then Marianne gave it to us because it wouldn't fit in her small house. This is the first kind of phone that was ever made. Well, I don't know. Probably ever made.
Yes, it is.
And there's many antiques in my grandma's house. Very many. Because there's a lot of antiques. There is even pictures of my grandma and grandpa whenever they were as young as I was. Or even younger. And there's
A shingle that came off the roof of our house when it was built 115 years ago.
yes, because this house is 116 or 17 years old. What? And here's Turtle Girl. Hey guys. We're making macaroni. And if you watch Fincher and Tail, don't do macaroni. Which means alcohol.
Alcohol.
They call.
Yeah, we're gonna have macaroni for lunch. Good old macaroni.
And I made my finger orange, and I tried to wash my fingers orange, and I tried to wash it off, and it didn't come off. How is it? How is it orange? I showed him how to make that.
Oh my gosh. I want an orange tongue.
Um,
Can I have an orange tongue?
you can make your own.
Can I have just a sip?
You can make your own.
I don't want to waste it. I just want to sip.
Have a sip.
What?
Have a sip. Is it good? Do you like it?
Yeah. It's sour.
It is.
Oh, it looked good to me. Maybe orange.
It's really good.
Maybe orange lemonade.
I'll call it orange lemonade, but it's kind of like a punch.
Yeah.
And we have like strawberry, I think
Y'all
this
can
is
use them.
strawberry, orange
You need to be
strawberry.
sure and drink it when you make it. You need to be sure and drink it.
Right. And we have fruit punch. And we have, for some reason, we have Pop Rocks in here. For some reason, we have Pop Rocks in here.
You have what?
Pop Rocks.
Oh. Huh. Slip that in your pocket and I'll let you have it.
Come trick-or-treating here for Halloween. There'll be a lot of candy.
I have good stuff.
Yeah. There is even toys she might even give out. Little rubber toys that could last a long time. And if you're having more than one person having
Don't tell
With-
Pops it's ready.
And this is what it will look like whenever it's done. Good generic mac and cheese.
Yes, but it tastes like Kraft or better.
Uh-huh.
Mac and cheese and sausage links.
And
Because they're going to go home early and eat supper at their mom's for Olivia's birthday.
I think it should be bugging me out. It ought to be getting better. I hope it.
Let's just say a blessing before you go.
Okay.
Liam, what is today?
No, we have to sit last time.
bye
I think
guys.
you're
I think it's Olivia's turn.
Bye guys.
Olivia's.
This is what it will look like.
Okay.
Okay, say a blessing.